let's get started with source 1, our ebook. Looking at the instructions, we are to use Discovery and enter our search words. Then we're going to click on Search. Once we get to our result list, we're going to narrow those results by resource type, books, and availability for available online. So let's navigate over to the library's website. We're going to type in our search term. I'm going to use eating disorder as my topic. Click on Search. And here I have a list of everything within the databases that talk about eating disorders. But for my topic, all I want is books, and under availability on the left-hand column, available online. And that will limit all my results to books online. At this point, I'm going to navigate through the list and select one that I think is the most interesting for my topic. So I'm going to choose this one right here. Now let's go back to the actual assignment itself and look at what information we need to include. First and foremost, we need to record the title. Then we need to record the author or editors of that ebook. Part B is where we have to create the APA reference entry for this resource. Okay. Navigating back to the library's databases and into the actual article that we have chosen, or in this case, the book, there's a few things that you can find the information to complete this assignment. Under Details, it has the title, and it also has Creator. Think of the creator as the author or editors of that particular work. So all we need to do is write down this particular pieces of information. The second part, the APA reference, is actually under a tab called Citation. When you click on that, this box below appears, and as you can see, it highlights to APA 7th edition and provides us with the reference entry for this particular ebook. All we need to do is copy citation to clipboard and paste it into our Word document. Now, here is where it's always important to have the APA guide up and running, because as I look at this, I can see that the author is actually not correct. The author's name is in the improper format. Based on my knowledge, the author's last name should be first, which is real, comma, J period, J period for the first name and the middle initial. So as a student, how would I be able to double check that? That's why we go back to the library's home page. We navigate to Citations. Here we're going to choose APA, and from the APA guide, we're going to hover our mouse over Citations by Source. We're going to go to Books, eBooks, and Pamphlets. And because I know I only have one author, I am going to go to Book, Print, or eBook with one author. And here I have an example for print, but I'm going to go over to Library Database. And here is my example, my template for how that citation reference should look like. And as you can see, it's author's last name, comma, first initial, period, middle initial, period. So the ultimate message is no matter where you get your citations from, if it's computer generated, it's always a good idea to double check and make sure that it is in the proper format. And that's where the library's guide comes into play. All right, so at this point, I'm going to turn it over to you to fill in the blanks and complete your assignment based on your particular research topic.